Hello everybody, today I have here a Airbus 86 Ti-45 with a union core. I received this padlock of a friend. He wasn't using it anymore, so he gave it me. He didn't give me the working key for it either, but I've never seen one of these locks with any Airbus lock with a union core in it. I think it's got spool key pins. I have no way of getting this lock. Anyway, I've not been picking for long. I've been absent for a while, but I'm back now. So I'm going to start off with this lock with my brass handled pick and my homebrew tension wrench. So forgive me if I'm a bit rusty. So, oops. Oops, I'm going to have to zoom out a bit. Get the angle a bit right. There we go. I'm going to start from pin 1 and work my way towards the back. So far nothing. Little bit on pin 5. There, got my false set back. Keep the tension light on this lock. Got a bit more there. Pin 6. Pin 3. Pin 4 got a click. There we go, pin 2, and it dropped. There's no way to open this. I don't know how to get this lock. If you can, please can you leave in the description any comments. I just want to show you guys. I'm gonna lock it back up. Something. If you can see the serrations on the key pin. It looks like it's a spool key pin. If you can make it out. Anyway, bye. Oh yeah. Another thing I wanted to show you, some of the locks I've been working on recently. Union, Yale, Wink House, Dom, Big Bad Boy Ace, Master, Yale, and last most horrible lock, J.j.80. hardest. Anyway, goodbye guys. See you on the next one.